In this quick guide, I'll show you how to group and ungroup elements in Canva to move, resize, or style them together. To group the elements, first select the elements you want to group. You can either click and drag to draw a selection box around them, like this, or you can hold Shift and click each item, like this. Or you can select the canvas, click Position, make sure it says Layers, then hold Shift and click each layer to choose them. So I want to select these, holding Shift, click, click, click. And if I wanted to group them, I just go to the three dots here, click, and then I go down to Group. Now, you can further group elements by right-clicking the selection. Make sure that you're on an element when you right-click, and then you can select Group in the panel that appears. Or you can click Group in the top toolbar, but it's appearing here at the bottom at the moment. So if I click Group, it'll group the elements. Or I can press Command and G if I'm on a Mac, or Control and G if I'm on a PC to group the elements. So Command and G, and there my elements have been grouped. Now once they're grouped, you can move and resize the elements together, like so, or resize it like this. However, you can still edit individual items by double-clicking the element in each group. So if I wanted to edit the square, for example, I can change the color, or I can change the stroke style or stroke weight, or I can round the edges, whatever. So you can play around with this toolbar here in order to see what you can edit for each individual item that's in the group. Okay, now if you want to add another element to the group, then all you have to do is select them all and click Group. And now the blue dot will be included in the group. Now if everything is selected and they're all grouped, you can play around with the editing toolbar and edit some items as a group. So if I increase the stroke style, you'll see that all the elements will now have the stroke weight or the stroke style increased and decreased. Or if I change boldness or italics, it'll change the text. It'll single that out in particular. Or I could just change the transparency for all the items that are in the group. To ungroup the elements, all we do is the reverse. We can either click and click Ungroup here, or we could right-click on an element and click Ungroup. However, if you're going to use a keyboard shortcut, you need to change it slightly. You need to press Command and Shift and G. And now they're ungrouped. And that's it. That's how grouping and ungrouping makes organizing designs faster and keeps your layout tidy. Try it now in your next Canva project. Thank you for watching. If today's tutorial was helpful, please give it a like. If you want more Canva tips, check out our channel, Design Success Lab, and please subscribe. See you next time.